Hello guys, thanks for watching my video. Today we will discuss AppSwap Finance. First of all, thanks for my subscriber. They demand the video is in English language. I was make a video for in Hindi and Urdu language, but most of user are demanding. As you can see, can we get English version of this? And you can also demand any other video I will make for you if you will comment on my videos. So today I will tell you from basics to each and everything about AppSwap Finance. You can earn banana tokens through AppSwap Finance. So as you can see, AppSwap Finance is listed in different exchanges, Albank and Bithumb Global and other exchanges. You need to one MetaMask wallet, and you need to some BNB to buy AppSwap from AppSwap network. You can also buy from PancakeSwap. We will transition with AppSwap Finance. So if you have a Binance account, you need to trade and go to buy BNB. You can also if you have no if you had your money in your bank account, you can also go to P2P on Binance, and you can get USDT or BNB or BTC, and after that you can buy from classic trade. You can buy from BNB. After that you will withdraw your BNB into your MetaMask wallet. So you need to click on BSC network. So here you will put your MetaMask wallet, and here you will click on your BNB, and you will withdraw your BNB into MetaMask. As I have MetaMask, if you don't install MetaMask extension, you should install and make an account of it. Make an account on this network. So you need to transfer your this MetaMask wallet will default on Ethereum network, but you need to convert your wallet onto BSC network. So easy method is go to chainlink.list, and you should search here BSC, and you can add to Binance Smart Chain and any other network on your MetaMask. You will add your MetaMask wallet and convert with your BSC network. So I have go to BSC mainnet from Ethereum network. After that we will go to AppSwap Finance. AppSwap Finance is paying different pools. AppSwap Finance is in paying for staking and also for farming. So you will go to the AppSwap Finance. After that you will connect your MetaMask wallet with AppSwap Finance. Here you will connect your MetaMask wallet, and you can also buy banana tokens from AppSwap Finance, and you can also earn bananas from your staking, and you can also earn from your farming. So first of all we need to trade and get banana tokens. I have already bananas 2.44, but I will tell you how to buy banana tokens from AppSwap Finance. So here you will click on trading and go to the for swap. Here you will put your amount, and here you will select banana tokens. You will type B, and here you will see banana token will be here. So I have already 2 banana tokens. I have already 2 banana tokens. But if you have BNB, you will click you will select here your amount, and you will click amount how much you wants. So after that you put your BNB, and after that you will click on swap and you will okay with MetaMask and connect with MetaMask, and you will get in your wallet 2.43. So I have already, as you can see, my balance 2.44. After that you can also, when you have banana, you can also sell your bananas for BNB, and you can withdraw your banana into you can withdraw your BNB into Binance Smart Chain. So here you can send your BNB to Binance Smart Chain. To click on this option, so I have 2.44 bananas. So we will go to pool. When you click on pool, you can see here 124% APR is on banana for staking, and when you click on farming, you can see here 212% is for 212% for farming. So farming is more profitable than staking. So easy way to stack your bananas token. You have to bananas in your wallet in MetaMask. After that you will go to pools. You will you can also stack other tokens, but we will click on stacking for bananas. Here you will click on maximum, and here you will see your click on confirm. After that you will confirm your tokens for stacking. You will redirect with MetaMask, and your token your stacking pool will be for approval. So after that, confirm your transaction. Your tokens will goes to for stacking. So 124% I will get APR, and the profit I can withdraw anytime. Also I can unstake my banana tokens, and I can as you can see, this is my position. 2.44 is goes for stacking. When you wants to your withdraw your earned profit, you will click on here on harvest. Here you will click on harvest, and your MetaMask will did one transaction, and your profit will be harvested. But I have no tokens for harvesting yet, because I have no profit, because I have stacking start now. After 1 day or 2 day or someday I will get bananas token, and that tokens I can harvest for my stacking. So as you can see on your home page, also you can see also on AppSwap Finance home page. Here you can see your position, as my window is slow. So as you can see on home page, your stacking position. So if you want to harvest your profit, here your profit will be show, and you can harvest your profit after 1 day or 2 day when you want. So if you want to add more bananas for stacking, you will click on pool and go to banana, and here you will click on plus icon. Here I have no balance more for stacking. If you have wants to more stacking, you will click on here on maximum, and you will confirm, and your more bananas will add in this pool. So if you want to unstake your bananas from AppSwap pool, so you can unstake your bananas from stacking. So you need to click on minus icon, and you need to click on maximum. After that you need to click on confirm. After that you will redirect with your MetaMask wallet and you will confirm your transaction and your bananas will goes to your MetaMask wallet. And after that you can sell out your bananas, goes to trade menu and you can select here bananas and here you will select BNB and here you will click for swap. So as you can see, I have unstaked my 2.44 bananas from stacking pool. So I can also sell out these bananas to this platform AppSwap Finance. So as you can see, my bananas is now 0 and there is no pool for my staking. As you can see, stake banana option is now enabled for staking. So this was a staking. Normally you will get 124%. Now we will discuss about farming. How to goes to for farming. Before goes to farming, you need to understand how you can put your money into banana for farming. First of all, you need to equal amount of bananas and equal amount of BNB. There are different pools. You can also bananas and BUSD pool. You can also put your BUSD and BNB pool and others tokens also you can farm here. But most popular pair is banana and BNB pool. Here I have 0.02 bananas worth of BNB and I will also have BNB 0.02. So suppose if you have $100, you need to $50 of bananas and you need to $50 of BNB. Then you can stake. Then you can farm your tokens on this on farming. So first of all, you should goes to liquidity option. Here you will click on trade and after that you will click on liquidity option. Here you can check out the liquidity option is shown. Here you can check out. So liquidity option is showing now. After that you will click on liquidity and you will redirect on liquidity page. You need to add liquidity I have 0.02 of bananas token worth of banana tokens and I will put 0.02 BNB for liquidity. So here you will loading is continue and here you will add liquidity before farming. So we will wait for loading. So here you will click on liquidity. Here you will click you need to BNB and you need to bananas. Here we click on bananas. We will select bananas. Okay, here I have bananas and here I will select maximum. Here I will select maximum because I have 0.02 worth of bananas and I want to farming in bananas pool, bananas and BNB pool. So first of all we will make a pool. After that we will put this pool into farming. So I have 2.44 worth of BNB and 0.02 BNB will be hold and 2.44 my banana tokens will be hold. After that I will approve my bananas in for liquidity, for adding liquidity. I will confirm my transaction. After that approving, I will also confirm adding liquidity. this will be two transaction. One is for confirm, one is for confirm liquidity. So this will be goes to liquidity, and this liquidity I can withdraw anytime, but I will get my profit on this liquidity 212% APR. So this is two transaction for banana adding liquidity. After adding liquidity, there are two transaction. My bananas is goes for adding liquidity, and I have 0.19 pool for bananas pool token. So now we will goes to for farming. Here we will click on farming, and we will put our liquidity pool tokens into farming, and we will get 212% reward APR on our investment. So we was create a banana and BNB pool. Here other pools you can also create same like bananas and BNB pools. Here we will click on enable, and we will add our here we will click on enable, and here we will after adding your liquidity you will click on enable. Okay, after that your transaction will be done through MetaMask. After that this option will be comes. After enable your wallet, you will redirect to MetaMask, and one transaction will be done. After that this option will be enable. You will stake your LP token. After that you will click on stake LP, and you will click on maximum. You will click on maximum, and your LP tokens will be stake for farming, and here you will click on confirm for farming, and MetaMask transaction will be done through farming. So two transaction in this step, and two transaction was for adding liquidity step. So one transaction was done. I was off my video, and one is now as in live video. So after that two transaction, your LP goes for farming. So as you can see, I confirmed my LP token for stacking. So now this option is showing. If your profit was here show, you can harvest your profit. So if you want to this was a for profit option, you can goes to farm, and here you can harvest your bananas token. So if you want to remove your liquidity, and here you will click on remove your liquidity, and you will click on remove, and here you will harvest. First of all you will click on remove your from tokens from LP, and after harvest. After that here you will click the same procedures. When you click on this option, here you can harvest, and if you want to add more liquid for tokens for liquidity, you will click on here for adding more tokens in farming pool. If you want to more adding your farming pool, you will click on plus option, and you will add here you will LP token will be show, and here you will click and confirm you will more you can also add more tokens for bananas. And if you want to remove your from farming, you need to click on first. There will be two steps. First will be remove from LP, after that you will remove liquidity. So first we will remove from farming. We will click on maximum. Here we will click on maximum. Here we will confirm, and our transaction will be confirmed with MetaMask, and our we will remove our LP tokens from farming. So after that you will confirm this transaction. If your transaction goes to fail, then you need to increase the gas fees. You should try with 7 GV gas fees. So as you can see, my transaction is completed, and here you can see there is no my LP token is farming, and you can see in browser my transaction is completed. And now we will remove the liquidity. So this was the first step. First you need to harvest your profit. After that you need to unstake your remove your LP token by clicking on minus icon and click on maximize, and you will confirm transaction, and your LP token will be your wallet. After that you will go to trade, and you will go here in liquidity, click on liquidity. Here you will click on liquidity, and after that you will need to remove your liquidity. You will click you will select the pair of banana token. After that here is your liquidity is showing 2.43 my banana tokens, and 0.2 is my BNB pool. So now and LP token are 0.19. Now we will remove our liquidity, and LP token will be goes to their liquidity pool, and we will get 0.02 BNB and 2.43 bananas. So by you will click on remove. After that here you will select percentage. This is showing my liquidity. After that I will click on approve, and after that I will confirm my transaction. This transaction is going to fail. I think need to increase gas fees. You can increase your gas fees by selecting 7 GV, so that your transaction should not fail. Now our transaction is going to approving. After that we will just confirm our withdrawal, and our liquidity will be withdraw. Now this transaction is confirmed. After that one step it is more. So our liquidity is removed. As you can see, we need to confirm withdrawal, last step. So our BNB will goes to in wallet, and banana will also goes to wallet. So this was a complete step. We will increase our GV so that our transaction should not be failed. Our transaction is submitted. This was a last step, and our BNB will be goes to our MetaMask wallet, and this is also confirmed this transaction. So all the steps are now completed, and now we will sell off our banana tokens and we will pay out our BNB. So these are steps. If you don't want to remove your, if you don't want to staking or withdraw your funds, this is a complete process. Now our liquidity removed, and now we will swap our banana tokens and we will get BNB. After that we can withdraw BNB into any exchange or Binance exchange. Here you will click on this icon. After that you will click on maximize. After that you will swap BNB. After that you will be confirmed and you will get BNB 0.02 for 2.43 banana tokens. I will confirm this transaction. This transaction is going to fail, so we need to increase our gas fees so that transaction should not be confirmed, should not be failed. I will select 7 GV and my transaction will be approved. So this was all process that I was told you in this video. If you have any questions, you can comment in the video. I will try to overcome your all issues. So we will wait for the last transaction and our BNB will goes to in our MetaMask after exchange of banana tokens. So I am telling this transaction is also confirmed, and our all investment and profit is withdrawal from banana AppSwap Finance, and our this was a last transaction for withdraw our banana from AppSwap Finance. So now all funds are available in our wallet, and now we can send it to in our Binance account. You will go to deposit and you will select BNB and you will BSC wallet, and you will deposit your BNB to your Binance account, and you will exchange here for your money. So this was a overall process. So I need to tell you about just summary about the AppSwap Finance. First of all, you need to BNB for buy banana tokens. You can add in Binance Smart Chain or Trust Wallet from Binance BNB. After that you will go to AppSwap Finance and you will connect your MetaMask with AppSwap Finance. After that you will buy banana token. After that you will you can stacking your banana token just by adding on pool, or you can make a you can go for farming for more returns. But you need to 50% if you have $50 worth of BNB, you should need to buy $25 banana token and 25 remaining should be in wallet. After that you will select the farming. You will add liquidity before going to farming. After that there will be two transactions, one is approval and second is confirm. After that you will go to farming, and there will also two transaction, one is enable and second is for stacking LP token. So this was a overall process, and you can harvest your profit from stacking and also from farming. So thanks for watching my video.